Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into a review of the Credit One Platinum X5 Visa credit card. I will break down its key features, pros and cons so you can decide if this card is the right fit for you. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. So let's start with the highlights. The Credit One Platinum X5 Visa offers a 5% cashback on your first 5,000 spent each year in selected categories like gas, groceries, internet, cable, satellite TV, and mobile phone purchases. After you hit that $5,000 mark, the cashback rate drops to 1%, while that initial 5% is generous. The drop to 1% afterward is worth noting. Now, what else does this card offer? So, it comes with some solid benefits, including contactless payment and zero fraud liability, meaning that you are not on the hook if your card is stolen or used without your permission. You also get free online access to your credit score, which is a nice touch for those keeping a close eye on their credit health. Plus, the mobile app is also user friendly and you can get customized alerts for any transactions. On the less exciting but crucial details, the APR and the fees. So the APR is a steep 29.74%, which is definitely on the high side. So it's important to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid hefty interest charges. The card also has the annual fee of $95, and if you plan to travel, keep in mind there is a 3% foreign transaction fee. So, what's the pros and the cons of this particular card? So, on the plus side, the 5% cashback on selected categories is a nice perk, especially if you can maximize the $5,000 spent. However, the $95 annual fee and the limited rewards after that $5,000 threshold make this card less appealing. There are other cards out there with no annual fee that offer more consistent rewards. So, in summary, the Credit One Platinum X5 Visa could be a good option if you are able to take full advantage of the 5% cashback categories. But with the annual fee and the high APR, there might be better options depending on your spending habits. So, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this review helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.